So, this is our latest acquisition.
Okay.
It's surrounded by 6 vacant lots, so it feels like it's in the middle of a giant field. So this is my country estates home.
The house itself is actually, you know, I mean,
it's a complete dump, but it has potential. It's 1,100 square feet, currently a 3-1. As you can see, someone has already redone a lot of the siding. The roof being brand new, so that's a huge savings.
And how much did you pay for this place?
we got this one for $15,000.
Okay.
You want to head in?
Yes,
Let's do
please.
What do you think?
It's open.
I think that's probably my favorite feature of it. It is really hard to find a fully open floor plan like this in these old houses.
And this floor plan is perfect for bringing the countryside to Motown. Light neutral colors and distressed finishes will create a cozy, homey vibe. Natural wood cabinets, shelves, and bed frames will be complemented by soft pillows, rustic light features, and vintage mirrors. It will be welcoming, stylish, and extremely country.
We can take you to the kitchen next.
Okay.
As you can imagine, everything in this room will come out.
This kitchen will soon feel like you walked into a farmhouse. A thick butcher block countertop complemented by a soft green backsplash, weathered wood cabinets taken to the ceiling, all brought together by distressed wood floorboards.
This kitchen should really, really be an awesome space when we're finished up.
Nice. I don't want to go inside. No.
It is a little freaky. It's purple. About 5 shades of purple. So we're gonna actually wind up moving the bathroom. No more nasty purple.
You are
bathroom.
standing in what will be the guest bedroom.
Right.
Ah,
Yes.
okay.
So we're gonna take it from here, shift it down to the other side. All of these interior walls here will be removed, and then you'll have one larger bedroom with the bathroom
perfect.
here.
So this is the bedroom that sort of will gobble up the bathroom.
Okay.
And this will be a bigger bedroom.
Ah, okay.
So the upstairs.
Oh my goodness, a little creepy up here.
We have big plans,
But
though.
you have big plans.
We'll take all the drywall out, which is nasty. The closet here, we'll rip this out.
Then we're going to tear down that back wall and build a giant walk-in closet.
It's just a great size
Wow.
space.
This is huge. At $15,000, I feel like you guys really did get a good deal.
I think we're gonna wind up spending about $55,000 total on the
Okay.
budget. So with that in mind, what do you think we might be able to sell this place for?
So comps in the neighborhood right now, they're going for about $90 per square foot. So with this home being at 1,100 square feet, I feel like it can definitely be listed at closer to like 100,000.
Okay, I like that plan.
This is a big demo. Sometimes we save a bunch of stuff in a house, but this house we're reconfiguring floor plans, we're adding closets. So this is basically almost down to the studs. Everything gets smashed. So one thing that I'm considering about the floor plan, so you wanted to have the door to the bedroom open to the living room, which isn't my favorite thing.
I know it's not.
We're looking at maybe 3 or 4 doors on one wall, all leading into the living room. I'm not super excited about that. It's just gonna be a wall of doors. I don't know. It'll look kind of weird.
Well, what if we just made it like a thing? Like literally just door, 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 door. I could make it like a design feature. Design is pretty limited. I will admit it is not the best design, but it gives it a much, much bigger bedroom. You're just gonna have to deal with it, I'm sorry.
Nice clean walls.
Demoed.
Today is the first day of framing at the Country Estates house. Everything is down to the studs, and at this point, we just have to reframe the wall of doors. So, you have the plans.
But of course. Door 1, door 2, door 3.
I don't think it looks that weird, actually.
You start to get a feel for it though, right? Once
Yeah.
these doors kind of come in.
phone working? Okay.
Hello. Oh, hey guys. Hey Shay.
Oh my goodness! Diamond, Keith, hi! You guys probably don't know me, but I know you. I've been following you on social media. I'm Diamond. I am from here, born and raised in Detroit, and I have been looking for a house for a while. This is really home for me. My dad is actually just a couple of streets over, and I'm obsessed with Keith and Evan. I have seen all of the work that they've posted, and so I would love to own one of their homes, because they're all like artwork. I just need the design to come through.
This house, we kind of had planned on doing like the country estate, country farmhouse type thing.
Okay. I would be super interested in seeing this house as soon as it's done. But would you be open to maybe like urban estates?
Sure. So you're thinking like a little edgier, a little...
That Detroit grit, the grit of not just the whole city, but this neighborhood, the Northwest side.
Well, it may not be the best idea in every case to just radically change your whole plan for a project based on just one person's opinion, but she seems extremely interested.
All right, cool. What a fun challenge.
Okay.
Urban estates it is.
She is like the epitome of who I see buying our houses. She's young, she's fresh, she's a music producer. So playing off of that, I kind of want to maybe take it to like a downtown record shop or that super cool vibe.
For the bungalow stairs, I'm turning the safety wall into an abstract piece of art with some scrap wood and some high gloss black paint. In the kitchen, instead of butcher block and soft greens, we're gonna do a concrete countertop that I'm gonna dye black and complement it with an edgy metallic backsplash.
I really think she's going to love it. I mean, I would.
Yeah.
And to me, an urban estates home wouldn't be complete without some custom graffiti art.
You're trying to get the drips?
Mm-hmm. Nice.
And that giant walk-in is the perfect spot.
Ooh, I like that.
It's looking good.
Yeah, I like it. It is the open house tomorrow, so that means we have a billion things going on today.
And one thing I'm not happy about is the bathroom. It's still looking too soft and bright and needs some raw grittiness to it.
So decided a last-minute little paint feature to help kind of bring it alive.
We bought this house for $15,000. Spent 55 grand on renovations, and we are listing it for $99,900.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you like it?
Oh my God. I literally have no words.
That was pretty clear.
It was good.
It was a good first impression, it feels like.
What is in this bathroom? Did you paint this?
I did.
I am undone.
Undone. Good, that's good, right?
I think that's good.
What is in this kitchen?
I know you like it. I know you like it. I know you like it.
Are these concrete countertops?
They are, yeah. Look at how much counter space you have.
This is crazy.
Everything just flows beautifully into this like back third of the house where this massive kitchen is laid out with these concrete gritty countertop pressed right up against this clay color cabinet. And then we have this glamorous like metallic backsplash. It's so city, it's so gritty, it's so urban.
It's a little banister.
That is the coolest thing I have ever seen in my entire life. I mean, it's the epitome of city. It's all urban. It's something that you might see in downtown Detroit as an art installation somewhere. Keith, is that a mural in my closet?
It is. I did you a little graffiti art, so I imagined you standing in front of it for your fabulous selfies, and you have your angel wings.
Oh, it's perfect! When you stand up against it, it looks like I have wings, which is so cool. So I'm obsessed. I mean, I have street art in my closet.
That is like...
This doesn't get any more city
There you go.
than that. It's a gift to me, and it feels so true to Detroit. I want to put in an offer right away.
Yes.
You guys crushed it. Like, this house is mine. Anyone else drives past it, I'm mean mugging. This house is mine.
Keep it moving.
Keep it moving. Keep it moving, okay? Not even gonna let them put a for sale sign up. It's my house.
Diamond definitely wasn't playing. The next day, she submitted an offer on the house for $102,000, which is $2,000 over asking. And now the house is hers.